Returning a library book late.
Hello? Returning a book today?
Yes, but it is late.
No problem. Let me check.
I am sorry about that.
It happens sometimes. What happened?
I was very busy last week.
Work and family things?
Yes, and I forgot the date.
That is understandable.
Do I need to pay?
Let me look at your account.
Okay, I hope not.
Good news, the fine is small.
Oh, that is nice.
It is only $3.
I can pay that today.
Great. I can help you.
How long can I borrow books?
Most books are 3 weeks.
3 weeks? That sounds fair.
You can also renew online.
Really? I did not know.
Yes, before the due date.
That will help me a lot.
Do you borrow books often?
Yes, I love reading novels.
Any favorite kind?
Mystery books. Always mystery books.
Then you should visit often.
I will. Thank you.
Have a great afternoon.
You too. See you soon. Taking a pet to the veterinarian.
Hello, what brings you in?
My dog is not well.
I am sorry to hear that.
He is not eating today.
When did this start?
Yesterday evening, I think.
Any vomiting or fever?
Yes, he vomited once.
That is important information.
He's also very tired.
Is he drinking water normally?
Very little, not much.
Okay, we will check him.
Is it something serious?
We need some tests first.
I'm really worried now.
Try to stay calm.
What tests will you do?
Blood test and examination.
Will it take long?
About 30 minutes only.
That is not too long.
We may give mild medicine.
Is it safe for dogs?
Yes, completely safe dosage.
Okay, I trust you.
Keep him hydrated at home.
How much water should he drink?
Small amounts many times daily.
I will do that carefully.
Avoid heavy food for now.
What food can he eat?
Soft rice and boiled chicken.
That sounds simple enough.
Bring him back in 2 days.
If he does not improve,
Yes, come back immediately.
thank you for your help.
He should recover soon.
I hope he feels better.
You are taking good care.
That means a lot to me.
Reporting a lost wallet.
Hello, how can I help?
I lost my wallet today.
I am sorry to hear that.
I cannot find it anywhere.
When did you see it?
This morning, before lunch,
Where were you at that time?
I was downtown near the station.
Can you describe the wallet?
Yes, it is small and black.
Was anything special inside?
My driver's license was inside.
Also, some bank cards, unfortunately. I understand. That is important.
I am very worried now.
We will do our best.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Friendly, did it contain much cash?
Only about $20.
That information is helpful.
Curious, has anyone returned a wallet?
Not yet, but it happens.
I hope someone finds it.
Please give your phone number.
Of course. Here it is.
We will contact you quickly.
That makes me feel better.
Also, check nearby businesses.
That is a good idea.
I hope it returns soon.
Thank you for your help. Booking a haircut appointment. Hello, welcome to our salon.
Hi, I need a haircut today.
Sure. What style do you want?
Something short, but not too short.
Maybe a clean fade cut?
Yes, that sounds good, actually.
We also do modern styles.
I am not sure yet.
No problem. I can suggest.
Okay, I trust your advice.
When are you available today?
Maybe after 4 in afternoon.
We have 5 o'clock slot.
5 o'clock works for me.
Do you want wash included?
Yes, that would be nice.
It takes about 40 minutes.
That is completely fine.
Any special beard trim?
Just a light trim, please.
Perfect. I will note that.
Do I need to pay now?
You pay after the service.
Okay, that is simple.
Your appointment is confirmed.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Please arrive 5 minutes early.
I will try my best.
We will see you soon.
Yes, see you at 5.
Visiting a farmer's market.
Good morning. First time here?
Yes, it looks very busy.
It is popular every weekend.
What fruits are fresh today?
We have apples and peaches.
They look very fresh indeed.
These apples are locally grown.
How much per kilogram?
$3 per kilogram today.
That is a good price.
Yes, they are from nearby farms.
Can I try one?
Of course, please take one.
It is very sweet. I like it.
We also have fresh carrots.
Are they organic?
Yes, completely organic carrots.
I will take one bag.
Anything else you need?
Do you have tomatoes today?
Yes, right over there.
I will check them also.
Those tomatoes are very ripe.
They look perfect for salad.
Many people buy them today.
I think I will take 2 kilos.
Great choice for cooking.
This market is really nice.
We are here every Saturday.
I will come again next week.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Learning to ride a bicycle as an adult. Ready to try cycling today?
I think I am ready.
Good. Keep your balance first.
I feel a little scared.
That is normal for beginners.
I have never ridden before.
Start slowly with both feet.
Okay, I will try now.
Look straight, not down.
I'm trying. It feels strange.
Good. Keep pedaling gently.
I almost lost balance.
That is okay. Try again.
My heart is beating fast.
Take a deep breath first.
Okay, I feel a bit better.
Now push forward slowly.
I'm moving. A little.
Perfect. Keep going straight.
I think I'm riding.
Yes, you are doing it.
This feels amazing. Really amazing.
Remember, use brakes gently.
Like this? I'm stopping.
Yes, very safe stopping.
I did not fall down.
You improved very quickly today.
I was very afraid before.
Fear is normal at first.
Thank you for your help.
Want to try again?
Yes, I want to try again.
Let's go a little farther.
Okay, I am ready now.
Choosing a movie to watch with friends.
Hey, ready for movie night?
Yes, I am really excited.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy or action.
We have both options tonight.
I'm not sure yet.
Action movies are very popular.
What is the story about?
It is about a rescue mission.
That sounds a bit intense.
Yes, a little exciting too.
Do we have comedy instead?
Yes, a new comedy film.
That sounds better for me.
It is light and funny.
I want something relaxing tonight.
Everyone can enjoy it.
What do others prefer?
Most people voted for comedy.
Okay, then comedy it is.
Great choice for everyone.
I think I will enjoy it.
Popcorn is ready as well.
Perfect. I love popcorn.
Let's start the movie now.
Yes, I am ready to watch.
Hope it makes us laugh.
I really need that today.
Then this is the right pick.
I agree. Good choice.
Enjoy the movie night.
You too. Let's enjoy. Opening a new bank account.
Welcome to bank today.
I want to open account.
Sure. What type account?
I am not sure.
Checking or savings account?
What is difference between them?
Checking is daily spending. Savings is for saving money.
I think savings is better.
Good choice for beginners.
What documents do I need?
ID, passport, and address proof.
I have my ID card.
Do you have utility bill?
Yes, I have one here.
Perfect. That is enough.
Are there monthly fees?
Some accounts have small fees.
I want low fee account.
We can suggest basic account.
Can I use mobile banking?
Yes, app is available always.
That is very helpful for me.
You can transfer money easily.
How long opening process takes?
About 15 to 20 minutes.
That is faster than I thought.
We just verify your details.
Can I get a debit card today?
Yes, we issue it instantly.
That makes everything very simple.
Let us start your application.
Yes, I am ready now.
Please fill this application form.
I will try carefully, slowly.
Sign your full legal name.
My signature looks a bit messy.
That is completely fine here.
Can I deposit money today?
Yes, you can deposit cash.
I will start with small amount.
Your account will be active.
That is very good news.
Do you want online alerts?
Yes, I want notifications always.
You will receive SMS updates.
That helps me a lot.
Everything is ready for you.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Planning a picnic in the park.
Hey, picnic plan this weekend?
Yes, that sounds really nice.
What food should we bring?
Maybe sandwiches and some fruit.
Good idea. I will bring sandwiches.
I can bring fresh fruits.
What about drinks?
I think juice and water.
I will bring cold water bottles.
I will bring orange juice.
Should we bring snacks too?
Yes, chips and cookies, please.
What about the weather?
I checked. It looks sunny.
Perfect for a picnic.
No rain is very good.
We should still bring hats.
Yes, sun can be strong.
Who brings the blanket?
I can bring the big one.
Great. I will bring plates.
And I will bring cups.
What about music?
Oh, yes. Small speaker, please.
We should arrive early.
Around 10 in the morning?
Yes, perfect picnic time.
I am really looking forward.
Don't forget sunscreen, too.
I almost forgot that.
I will also bring games.
That will be so fun.
Everything is ready then.
Yes, perfect picnic plan. Joining a community sports club.
Welcome to our sports club.
Thanks. I have some questions.
Sure. How can I help?
I want to join, maybe.
Great. Are you new here?
Yes, this is my first visit.
What sports do you enjoy?
I like tennis and volleyball.
We have both programs here.
How much is membership?
It is $20 monthly.
That sounds reasonable to me.
Membership includes all beginner classes.
Really? That is very nice.
Yes, many people start there.
I am still a beginner.
That is completely fine.
When are the classes?
Tuesday and Thursday evenings.
Those times work for me.
We also have weekend sessions.
Do I need equipment?
Some equipment is available here.
So I do not need everything?
Correct. You can borrow basics.
That helps a lot.
Later, you can buy your own.
I think that makes sense.
Would you like to register?
Yes, I would like that.
Excellent. Let's get started.
I cannot wait for class.